Lesson 20. Reading practice number 7. Dear Dr. Brown, please accept our thanks for the valuable part you played in making our conference on consumer advertising at Arden House in South Bend memorable. 1. Period. I received many comments about the conference, and I found that all of them relating to your speech were especially complimentary. Paragraph. In the 10 years that I have been conducting this and other seminars, this is the first one where there were so many compliments and so few complainants. Period. I sincerely hope that you will have an opportunity to be present at our conference next year. Paragraph. I have asked Miss Royal of our accounting department to send a check for $250 directly to you. Period. You should have it shortly. Period. Sincerely yours. Dear Mark, when I saw your mother and father at a convention of commercial artists recently, they showed me an announcement saying that you had been appointed manager of the advertising department of the Downing Leather Manufacturing Company, and that you would move to their main office located in South Orange immediately. Period. I know, Mark, that you won this important job with your hard work and your proficiency. Paragraph. Your mother and father are indeed proud of your accomplishments, and so am I. Period. This promotion represents a great opportunity for you, and I know we can count on you to fill it with honor. Period. Sincerely yours. Number 9. Dear neighbor. Thanksgiving provides us a unique opportunity to convey our thanks to a person we love, period. It is a perfect opportunity to say, this is open quotation, thanks for being a considerate friend, double quotation, or thanks for being a good mother or father or brother, paragraph, close quotation. It is easy, period. Simply stop by the South Street Flower House, order the flowers which you would like to send, and we will complete the job, period. A special card saying that the flowers are being sent from you with your compliments will be enclosed when the flowers are delivered, period. If you would rather telephone us, you can call Mr. James Yale, period. His number is 555-1818, paragraph. We are open between the hours of 8 o'clock in the morning and 5 o'clock in the afternoon, period. Remember, we now accept all major credit cards, period. Sincerely yours. Number 10. Gentlemen, the energy crisis represents a real threat, but it is one we think we can combat effectively, period. Would you like to learn how you can conserve energy in your business? Question mark, paragraph. If you would, there is one thing you can do immediately. Send for our 2 complimentary booklets entitled Needed, a well-designed conservation plan, and starting an energy management plan, period. These 2 special booklets were composed by Dr. James Swift of Dwight College, period. Together, they list 33 concrete ways in which you can conserve energy, paragraph. Use the enclosed card to gather your booklets, period. We will be glad to send them to you, period. The card does not need any postage, period. Sincerely yours. 11. Dear Sir, yesterday I had a note from our bookkeeper, Mrs. Mary Parcel, telling me that your account, which amounts to $150, was 90 days past due. Paragraph. I know there must be a reason why you have not paid it, period. Perhaps the payment of your bill slipped your mind completely, period. In that case, you will be glad to receive this friendly period. If there is a reason why you cannot pay us now, could you please tell us what it is, period. It is of considerable importance that your account be settled soon, period. Sincerely yours.